Hey everybody, thanks for checking out our video today here at the Auto Connect in Ocean Springs, Mississippi. We have a 2014 Audi A7 Premium Plus 3.0 supercharged for sale. Just serviced, drives really good. Do a quick walk around here. As you can see, body's clean, in good shape, has good tires on it, Continentals. 3.0 supercharged engine. Probably, since we work on these all the time, I would say, in my opinion, I'm trying to be unbiased, but probably the best Audi engine that they make out of the modern ones. Most reliable. Like I said, only 63,000 miles. Really clean interior, has sunroof, Bluetooth, navigation, backup camera, Bose premium system in here. Go ahead and start her up. Just 63,838 miles. If this is something you might be interested in, please give us a call at 228-438-2056. You can text us too. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. If you know somebody who might be interested in this, please definitely like, comment, share, subscribe. If you need any Audi, Volkswagen, or Porsche service repairs and you're in the South Mississippi area, definitely give us a shout. Thanks for checking out our video.